Our project is IoT early warning and flood avoidance. So here we are using four sensors. So one is heat sensor, second one is float sensor, third one is flow sensor, and fourth one is ultrasonic sensor. So as you can see in the picture, so it's an Arduino board and it's an LCD. This is the Wi-Fi model and this is a power adaptation. So these are the main components of our project. So let's do the connection. So let's connect the float sensor and next flow sensor. So and next connect the ultrasonic sensor here. And place this sensor into the small bowl. Why we are using this small bowl is so we are detecting the flow and float level of the water. So we are using this small bowl. So let's connect the power supply to the model. So as we are using a Wi-Fi model in this project, so we have to set the SSID as a IoT and password as a project1234. So as you can see that we are setting SSID as a IoT and password as a project1234. So by turning on the hotspot, we are connecting our Wi-Fi to the mobile. So you can see our model was connected to the hotspot. So as you can see the water level was low and the flow level is 0. And the temperature was taken by the room temperature. So it's a 28 degree. Now we are demonstrating the flow level. So you can see the initially it was 0. Now it was 99. So you can see the ultrasonic sensor. So the distance of the water is 8 centimeter. So as you can see the water level is low. So the float sensor is not sensing anything. So when the water level increases, the float sensor will give an alert message. So as you can see the water level was high, so that the sensor was indicating an alert message. So as you can see now, as you can see the temperature is 29 degree, so which is room temperature. When the heat is applied, so as you can the variations in the temperature. So earlier it was a 29 degree. After we applying the heat, it's showing that it's a 30 degree. So the conclusion of the project is, so we are using four sensors. So using these four sensors, we can detect the flood earlierly and alert the message to the for the maintenance.